Can plants actually grow your hair? I want to share this very simple video to explain to you how powerful plants can be and how they can help you grow your hair. Okay, now there are quite a few plants out there that have been shown through studies to grow hair, but today I want to discuss just 3 of the most powerful ones. Okay, these plants are so powerful, there are ample studies done on them by actual scientists, and these are not commercial interests. So in other words, actual scientists study these plants to find out why they're so powerful in growing hair. The plants I want to discuss today are Acacia radix, Eclipta alba, and hibiscus. Okay, now these plants work 3 ways. 1, they boost blood flow to the scalp and hair follicles. This means more nutrients, and this means more hair growth. 2nd, they prolong the hair growth cycle. This means that the hair can grow for a longer period of time. And 3, they actually stimulate sleeping follicles. This means better hair growth. Healthier hair is the end result of all this. Okay, now the first plant I'll discuss is Acacia radix. Acacia radix, a study done here shows it to have extremely powerful hair growth potential. It's also shown to be a vasodilator, which means it pumps blood flow to the scalp. The more blood flow to the scalp, the better the hair growth. Another plant called Eclipta alba, in India, it's called the king of hairs for the very simple reason that it's been used to grow hair for generations. Okay, in India, there's a science called ayurveda, and it's over 5,000 years old. And Eclipta alba has been used for centuries to grow hair. There's a track record of it working, my point is. Okay, the Eclipta alba was actually tested against minoxidil, which is the leading hair growth stimulant in the market, and it beat minoxidil without any side effects, people. This is safe to use. Natural and safe, no side effects. Okay, that's Eclipta alba. And actually, Eclipta alba plant is right here. Okay, this comes from India. You know, obviously, is extracted and put into carrier oil, like coconut oil, so it can penetrate the scalp and do its work. And the 3rd plant I want to talk about is hibiscus. Hibiscus. It's not the regular hibiscus you find in your flower store, because hibiscus has about 220 varieties of the plant, and hibiscus is so powerful. It was shown in the lab to boost hair growth by 30%. Now, people, when you combine these plants together, you have a very, very powerful way of growing your hair. Okay. Now, it's not going to grow next day because that's impossible. And if you're looking for before and after photos and stuff that are unbelievable, you won't find it here because this is actual science and takes time. It's not a gimmick. Hair does take time to grow. Even in the best scenario, you're looking at a few weeks. Okay, some people's hair grow 2 inches a month. Some people's hair grow half an inch a month. But when you use plants, you're going to speed the process up. And provided you're eating a good diet, provided you're not ill, you're going to get fantastic results. Okay. Now, to get all these plants, they're from India, from Asia, they're expensive. You have to know how to extract them. You have to know if they work together, because some plants don't mix well together. And I figured that, you know, you might want to try it out. You want to experience the benefit of these plants on your hair. So, you know, we brought all the plants from India and put them into a product called Grow Hair Oil. Okay, it's right here. Grow Hair Oil. Grow hair oil has 17 of the most powerful plants known to science to grow hair. It's very, very powerful in the right concentrations because it has to be of a high dose. You know, you're looking like 3 to 4% dose. It also has to be of the right plant variety. You cannot just use any plant and put it in there. Plus, how's it formulated? Is it combined properly? Is it extracted properly? Well, we have an actual ayurvedic doctor put it together for us. Okay, so you're getting the very, very best plants in one bottle for your hair. Think of this like a hair fertilizer or hair food. Just like how you feed a plant with fertilizer, you gotta feed your scalp and hair with this. This is gonna boost blood flow to the scalp. It's gonna stimulate follicles, and it's going to prolong the hair growth cycle. All this means amazing, healthy hair for you. Okay, is that simple, folks? Give it time. Like I said, it's not gonna happen overnight. You know, a few weeks and months are required, but you're gonna see amazing results. You know, it's fantastic. It's just beautiful, beautiful hair. Beautiful hair is your birthright. If you don't take initiative and trying to fix it and trying to nurture it to grow, then the onus is on you. It's your fault. But you can take charge of it. And this product over here, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's ample time to try it out and test it. You will know in 2 to 3 weeks if this is for you or not, because you're going to feel the difference immediately. It does take time to work, so I encourage you to use it for a few months at least for the absolute best results. So I hope this helped you. There's more of this coming your way. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask below. We will do our best to answer it. And we truly want you to experience the benefits of plants and herbs on your hair and feel a difference, because you deserve beautiful hair. beautiful hair, and beautiful hair is your birthright. You can get it if you apply these plants to your hair and scalp and give it enough time. You'll be blown away by the results.